to the Backyard Shenanigans YouTube channel.
What's going on, guys? BS Mike here, Backyard Shenanigans, and tonight, where we at, RJ?
Bradenton.
Oh, Bradenton, Motorsports Park over here. We came over for CLEETUS' streetcar shootout. We'll see how these street cars are. But stick around. Hopefully we get some cool action. It's super cool, man. You think it's gonna pull a wheelie tonight? Got the boosted boys over here. I'm out here freezing tonight, guys. Freezing cold. And then we got CLEETUS and his friends out here, all set up. Got the toter rocking and rolling. Guys, we got Cooper. Looks like he's taking on the side-by-side over there from the side-by-side vlog. We got Bo's 2JZ powered here. Doing some testing out here. We got Kevin from KSR out here in the Camaro, and then I don't know what that is over there, guys, but its two-step is rowdy, and we're gonna see it rip either way. All right, guys, so the cars are lining up out here. Got a sweet Mustang here, got a Chevy Camaro, got a Supra looking cool, another Camaro over there, got Cooper's 2JZ Camaro over here, got a Fox body over there. I think that's the end of the line for the streetcar shootout. I think they're going to add cars, but I think that's it so far. Super taking the W. Moving on, round two. Going 740 on the brakes. It looked like it was on the brakes. Lord have mercy. Burnouts, but we got I think it's Kevin from KSR against CLEETUS and Ruby now. Here we go. but we got some good passes tonight. Ton of fun. Oh, look, there goes Kevin from KSR. But you know, I can't show the whole race, guys. It's gonna ruin it. I know they're gonna be posting the videos up, but hope you enjoyed what I did film and what I'm gonna post up. And well, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I gotta leave a little mystery to the actual event itself. You know, I don't want to spoil anybody's videos, but thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed a little bit of racing, and we'll catch you on the next video.